Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to Peakview Insurance Agency. My name is Anne Wanjiro. I'm excited to take you through this journey of reviewing medical insurance products from various insurance companies. And the reason as to why I decided to do this is just to educate people out there, my clients, and also to bridge the knowledge gap clients have in regards to the insurance products they are buying. And I decided to just start with medical insurance. I think it is a key area to tackle. And so this is our very first video. And this video we are going to talk about a very special product. I think it is a product that has been recently introduced into the market, and it is the APA FEMINA PLUS cover. Yes, the APA FEMINA PLUS cover is a protection cover for women against cancer. It helps women get access to screenings and HPV vaccinations. And as I was reviewing this cover, I thought, is it of essence? And I think yes, it is, because screenings help detect cancer at an early stage. And like you all know, when cancer is detected early, it increases chances of survival, and treatment is also easy. And for the HPV vaccinations, according to statistics, it reduces the chances of contracting cancer to a bigger percentage. And so this cover is a must-have for all women. And I would advocate for it, saying that screenings and HPV vaccinations are an essence when it comes to preventing or controlling or treating cancer. And this APA FEMINA PLUS cover is covering women against breast cancer, ovarian cancer, and cervical cancer. Those three types of cancer. And it gives a cash benefit to patients or to policyholders who've been diagnosed positive while in the cover. So it is structured, it has 3 plans. We have the silver plan, the gold plan, and the platinum plan. The silver plan is the lowest plan, followed by gold, and then platinum is at the topmost. So anyone can join the silver plan. But for the gold plan and the platinum plan, you must have done a screening and the result being negative. So for you to join the gold and the platinum plan, you must undergo a screening and the result must be negative. But for the silver plan, you can join without having undergone a screening. So these silver, gold, and platinum plans have, each of them have a cash benefit according to which stage you are diagnosed with cancer. So for let's say, for example, if someone takes the silver plan and then they're diagnosed with stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4 cancer, the cash benefits are different. And this is how they are. So for the silver plan, if you are diagnosed with cancer stage 1, the cash benefit is 300,000. At stage 2, the cash benefit is 1 million. At stage 3, the cash benefit is 1.2 million. While at stage 4, the cash benefit reduces back to 600,000. So if I was to explain those cash benefits, I think it is because, I don't know why it is 300, 1 million, 1.25, then 600. Maybe as we move on, we will get an answer for that question. So when joining, like I've said, for the silver plan, anyone can join. But when you are joining the gold and the platinum plan, you must undergo a screening for you to be enrolled. And the screening at inception or at proposal, it must be negative. this cash benefit that is being given on a positive diagnosis, let's say if maybe you have utilized the cover before going for screening or for HPV vaccinations in the hospital that APA has partnered with, then in the event of a claim, they will less what you have already used. Now, for example, let's say I have taken the silver plan, and in between the policy, I go for a screening. So that screening, APA will, I will book an appointment. I'll go have the screening and the HPV vaccination done for free. But in case I have a claim, then whatever money that I have consumed will be deducted from my cash benefit. So for example, you've gone for screening, you've done HPV vaccinations, and you've used, let's say, 50,000, and then later on you are diagnosed with stage 1 cancer. So the benefit is supposed to be 300,000, but then they will deduct whatever you've used, that is the 50,000, and that your cash benefit will be 250,000. Now, when it comes to premiums is the fee you pay while you are taking an insurance policy or any insurance product. So this is the table. Let me fix it here. And it is divided that you can pay in 2 ways or 2 modes. We have the monthly mode and we have the annual mode. So for the monthly mode, it is 500 bob per month for the silver plan, and that translates to 6,000 annually. When it comes to the gold plan, it is 1,000 per month, and that translates to 12,000 annually. For the platinum plan, it is 1,250, and that translates to 15,000 annually. Now, I would like to advise you, my clients, because of these monthly contributions. So in insurance, we say that you must pay the premium for the insurance to take liability of whatever you have insured, may it be your health or whatever any other product that you are consuming. So as a piece of advice for someone who would wish to do a monthly premium to avoid the policy lapsing, I'd advise you to do maybe a standing order or a direct debit authority, we call them DDAs, or if you are paying monthly, let's say by M-Pesa, pay 1 month in advance, so that anytime that you delay paying, then your policy may not lapse, and that in time of a claim, you will not be told, oh, your policy lapsed, or there was a gap between these and these days you had not paid. Yeah, but for someone who's doing annually, then it is okay, because you will pay, and then the renewal date will be a certain date, like the one next year. Yeah, I hope you understand that. Yeah, so that is a point that I would like to maybe let you know of the premiums payment. Also, as I was doing my research, I inquired now, because the people who are members of the Femina Plus cover can access screenings and HPV vaccinations. I wanted to know which are the hospitals that APA has partnered with for those services, and I got the information that Avenue Hospital is one of them, and maybe the one that is most convenient, and I think they have branches in many places. Maybe if they do not have branches everywhere, and since it is on appointment basis, then APA will be able to sort that out. And the screenings and HPV vaccinations, while you are already on cover, they are free of charge. Yes, that's a good thing. They're free of charge. Then again, when you talk about insurance products, especially medical, there is always a section that confuses most people, or that most people forget to look into. And this is the exclusions clause, or the exclusions explanations. And also, this cover is not an exemption. It also has its own exclusions. Exclusions is that something that will exclude you or will not make you enjoy the benefits that you are entitled for in a product. And so, one, we have a pre-existing cancer condition. So if you already have cancer and then you enroll into the APA FEMINA Plus, then that condition is excluded, meaning you cannot benefit from it because already it is something that is existing. We take insurance to protect ourselves against something that has not happened, but not something that is already there. But for this case, let's say if someone has breast cancer, when you join or when you become a member of the APA Femina Plus cover, then you can benefit from ovarian cancer or cervical cancer, but the breast cancer will be excluded. So any claims, any medication, any benefit payout for breast cancer, that will be excluded, but you can still be covered against these other two. I hope you get that. Then it has also a waiting period of 6 months, meaning that once you enroll into the APA Femina Plus cover, you have 6 months grace period that you cannot benefit for, because if maybe you are diagnosed with cancer within the very first 6 months, there could be either you knew you had cancer or it was there, only that it had not been detected or it had not been diagnosed. So that is the second exclusion. The third exclusion is death happening within the first 3 months that you enroll, then God forbid you go to be with the Lord within the first 3 months, then that claim is not payable. It falls under the exclusions part. The other exclusion that there is on expenses related to inpatient and outpatient that are not explicitly specified. Let's say, for example, you go to a hospital and it is an outpatient case, and the company cannot tell whether it was malaria or it was cancer. Remember, this is specific. It is not a medical cover like the ones that we have other medical covers that they are covering all diseases. So when you are admitted or you go for an outpatient visit, and they cannot expressly be able to tell that it was a cancer treatment specifically, then that also will not be paid. The other one is misstatement or misrepresentation of information. So in insurance, we have a policy that we call utmost good faith. This is that when you are filling that proposal form or when you are enrolling into a medical cover, the insurance company knows or believes that whatever you have written, it is true. So when you withhold information or when you do misrepresentation, misstatement, you say you don't have cancer, yet it can be proven that when you were enrolling or when you are proposing, somehow you were already infected. So that becomes also an exclusion that claim cannot be payable. Yeah, so those are the exclusions. In case I get any other, I'll still be able to upload or update you on what this is going. So maybe I can be able to, I may request to get to know, is it something that is it a cover that is helpful? To me, I think it is, but I would like to hear your comments, your suggestions, maybe your additions, or something that has not been captured. Maybe you can comment down below. And in case of any other enquiry, I will. My number is 0710 120 207, and my email address is peakviewinsagency@gmail.com. In case of anything, I'll be able to answer, and we can still brainstorm more, review more, till you get to understand this product better. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you learned, and I hope that you're going to contact me to get the cover. Thank you and be blessed. Bye bye.